Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to embed Google Calendar into a Notion dashboard. So head over to My Calendars. I'm going to select Meeting, hit the three dots or the three dotted points. Inside, we're going to tap Settings and Sharing. Scroll a little bit down and going to focus on the access permissions for events. Make sure it's public for everyone. Next, on the left side menu, you're going to scroll a little bit down to integrate calendar. You're going to grab this public URL to this calendar link. I'm going to copy it without any permission from Notion. So head over to Notion, right? In the body page, we're going to type /embed. Going to tab the embed highlight here. Paste the link that you just copied and press embed link. I'll get you, just wait for a few moments. If you need to refresh so you can speed up the process, you can do that on your own time, right? If it's not loading. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, and you can control this calendar from Notion right away. So till next time, see you.